welcome. If you're looking to stop those constant friend request notifications on Roblox while using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated process to disable friend request received notifications on the Roblox website. Step by step. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to the Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're on the Roblox homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is your gateway to all account settings. Click on the gear icon to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage everything about your Roblox experience. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of different settings categories. Click on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts and updates Roblox sends you, both on your desktop and your mobile devices. Within the Notifications menu, find the option labeled Mobile Push Notifications. Click on it to expand the available notification controls. Here, you'll see a list of different types of notifications you can receive on your mobile device. Look for the one that says Friend Request Received. If you want to stop receiving notifications every time someone sends you a friend request, simply toggle this option off. Once it's disabled, Roblox will no longer send push notifications for new friend requests to your device. And that's it. You've successfully turned off friend request notifications on Roblox's web platform with the latest update. No more interruptions or unnecessary alerts, just a smoother, more focused gaming experience. If you ever change your mind, you can always return to the same settings and turn the notifications back on. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your time on Roblox.